We're doing a good old-fashioned declutter video today. Hello, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a collective declutter. So I have here a bunch of makeup that I'm going to be getting rid of. I pretty much just went through my collection and grabbed stuff that I haven't used, haven't reached into, and I'm choosing to get rid of. I didn't want to break it down by category because it's really not a ton in each category, although it is a lot of makeup. I just feel like it would be kind of boring to go through my entire collection. If you want to see what I have in my makeup collection, I do have full videos on that, but this is more or less just stuff that I've decided to part with. So we've got a lot of lipsticks, we've got eyeshadow palettes, blushes, bronzers, all of the things. So if that sounds good, let's start now and start digging into it. I'm just going to start grabbing stuff and I'll show you as we go what I am decluttering. So first up, we've got this Nude Eyes eyeshadow palette from Profusion. I do really like this palette, but I haven't reached into it in a long time, so for that reason I am getting rid of it. Another palette that I did like once upon a time, this is from Sleek Makeup. It's another nice kind of neutral palette, but I haven't used it in a while as well, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one. Some highlights that I decided to get rid of. I haven't really used highlighter hardly at all this year, so I have quite a few in here. So this one is the Milk and Cookies one from Ofra. I also have from them the Snuggle Up highlight duo. Then we have the Covert Garden, and then this one I think is Mother Earth. Yeah, I think they did that one for Earth Day, so gotten rid of both of those. This is a newer release, but I didn't really love this one. It's the Cosmic Crush from Too Faced. I just don't really care for this color story. Like, I do think it has a nice, like an okay formula, but I feel like the color story just isn't something I'm gonna reach into. So I didn't want to keep that in my collection since I know I won't be using it. All of these products, by the way, are going to be gifted to family. I'm actually dropping them off here tomorrow for Christmas. So this is a nice little palette from Juvia's Place. Again, I'm just not using that one. We've got one from Florence by Mills. I think I've only used this one once. It's a weird color story in my opinion. I feel like this one just doesn't really, I don't know, it doesn't really go together in my opinion. So I haven't used that one, but I love the packaging. Such fun holographic packaging. Another little palette. This one is newer to me, but I haven't used it since I first played with it. This is from Monsters Inc. and Revolution Beauty. Very cute, but I didn't end up using it aside from the first time. Same thing with the highlight that was a part of that collection. This one was just a little bit light on me. And then they also had a cream blush, and I really liked this cream blush, but I have so many cream blushes that I'm like, I should just give them the full little collection, but this packaging is so cute. It like actually smushes down. I think it's so fun. And then we have this palette next from Base Blue. Such cute packaging here. I really love this brand. I feel like their ideas are so innovative and so cool, but the formula is just a little lackluster for me when it comes to their eyeshadow palettes. I put in here quite a lot of these blushes from ColourPop, so I went through and I kind of just got rid of the shades that I didn't think I would wear a lot. So I have quite a few orange blushes, so I don't think I need that one from them. Another little palette. This one is really cute from Ciate London. I love the little smiley face there, but again, I don't really need another neutral palette. We have a bronzer also from Ciate London. I think this one was just a little bit too deep for me, so passing on it for that reason. This has been in my collection for a minute now, this Fenty palette. I don't reach into it, but it's so pretty. So I'd rather someone else be able to get use out of that. Let's see what else. A lip liner. This is just one from Kokie. I really like this, but I haven't really reached into this nude of a lip liner, so I know there's still a lot of use in that one. Have some skincare products from Florence by Mills. I have these in the full-size version, so these are just little samples that I figure I might as well give them those since I have the full size. We have this palette here from Pixie Beauty, which is really cute. It has a blush or two blushes and then highlight and a bronzer. It's a nice palette. I just haven't reached into it. Lots of lip products. So I went through my ColourPop drawer and basically pulled out so many ColourPop lippies because I am on ColourPop's PR and I feel like they send so much products my way, and I'm so appreciative and I love doing my ColourPop videos for you guys, but I just have so much and I feel like I just don't really reach into their lip products a ton. So for that, I am going to get rid of some of these. These are just like some holographic glosses, so I'm gonna go ahead and pass those along. We have from NARS this Laguna bronzer. I love this formula. It's such a good formula, but this shade is just a little bit dark for me. I think it's the Laguna 2. Yeah, the Laguna 2 shade. It's just a little bit deep for my skin tone, but really, really love this formula. I love the one that I have in Laguna. We have a liquid highlighter here from Ofra. I just don't really reach into liquid highlight very often, so I am going to go ahead and get rid of it for that reason. We have a bronzer from Too Faced here as well. This has a really pretty highlight in there. Haven't reached into this in a long time, so again, getting rid of it for that reason. Let's see what else. We have some other lip products here. I have one of these Lancome Juicy Tubes. I am just not a fan of this formula. It's too thick for me, so personally I don't really use it, so I've gotten rid of I think all of them now. At this point I think that was my last one. From the Simpsons collab, we have this little gloss. I liked it, but I haven't reached into it in a while. From Jill Stewart, I have this little highlight balm. I think it's really cute, but I love the packaging too. It has like this crystal on it, but I haven't used that either. I know I have a couple of these, I think, in here, but this is from Lottie London. It's just their highlighting glow. I just haven't used this either. I prefer the Charlotte Tilbury as opposed to this one, so I'm going to get rid of that. This Tower 28 concealer was really nice, but the shade was too deep for me, so I'm just throwing that in the giveaway as well since I have not used it. From iMethod, I have this blush. It has a brush on one side and then this really pretty pink blush. I have used this before and I do like it. It's very similar to the ones from Nude Sticks, and I do prefer the Nude Sticks just a smidge more, so for that reason I'm going to get rid of it since I have so many of the Nude Sticks ones. Some more lip products here. Let's pull some more. So like I said, quite a lot of the ColourPop. You'll see me get rid of these glosses because I don't really love this formula. It's my least favorite formula from ColourPop, so I think I have a lot of these glosses that I'm getting rid of, but some of those. And then I have some other things. These are just some lipsticks. I have a lot of lip products, like I said, from them, so I just kind of picked and chose the ones that I wanted to keep. One of these Luxe Velvets, and then this is from Yensa. I really like these lip oils, but they have reformulated the packaging, so I have the new packaging now, so I figured I could gift the old ones since I have the new ones. And then I did go through some of my ColourPop Super Shocks as well, so I just picked the ones that I hadn't really gotten a ton of use out of. They're so pretty. It breaks my heart to get rid of these, but also like I know that who I'm giving this stuff to, like, they're gonna love all of this, so I would rather them be able to use them before they like dry up, because these shades aren't really something I go into when I go into Super Shocks. More or less, I'm using shades that are like colorful or like super glittery, very different. I do like this orange one, but I feel like I don't really wear orange eyeshadow. And then I have a few of these bases. This one I think is actually a fun jelly shadow from ColourPop, but I put quite a few of these bases in. I haven't really used these. They're kind of more or less like the MAC like Pink Pot, and I have quite a few shades in those, so I haven't used those, so I'm gonna get rid of those. Here's another Super Shock. And let's see what else we have. Some more lip products. This is just a lip product from MAC I'm going to get rid of. And then this was the Lilo and Stitch collaboration. I really liked this gloss, but I haven't reached for it. I've got a Coca-Cola gloss from Revolution, Luxe gloss from ColourPop, and then here's another one of those eye things from ColourPop as well. More of their lip glosses. We've got this little black. This is like a black blush from Lottie London. It's one of those pH changing balance blushes. I don't really reach for those kind of blushes, so I'm getting rid of that. Another ColourPop gloss. And then we have the All Over Glow Tint. I wasn't really a fan of this. It was a little bit too shimmery for me from Catrice, so I'm getting rid of that. Some more ColourPop glosses. Like I said, I mostly got rid of the deeper shades because if I do use those glosses, I'm using the ones that are like more shimmery or more on the lighter or nude side. So I've got a couple of lipsticks from ColourPop as well, and then I have a eyeliner from Revolution. This was the Frosted Flakes and Glam Light lip gloss. This was just a little bit too icy in my opinion. I know that's like the point of this collaboration, but I really haven't reached into it because it's just a little bit too shiny. Just a deeper shade in this Juvia's Place highlight. I really like this formula. I've used it quite a bit, but this one is just a little bit too deep for me. From the Sigma Beauty and the Beast, I did put in some of these little lip products just because this was limited edition and I did like it. Ooh, but I have some in full sizes, so I was just going to gift these since they're brand new, and I know they really do love makeup, so I know they're going to love these. I also have quite a few of these milk little milk sticks. I think some of these are not even open, so I threw these in here because they could use them, but I have quite a few. I love the one in milk, the white one. These are the jumbo eye crayons from them. I love these, but I just haven't used these ones, so I think since they're unopened, I'm going to give those to them. Some more palettes. I do have the Michaela palette. I just don't think I need this in my collection anymore, although it's a very pretty palette. I think we are moving on from that phase here with that one, so I'm going to get rid of that. From Lottie London, I have this really pretty highlighter I'm getting rid of. This is kind of sad because I know this just came out, but again, I know it's limited edition and I really loved this palette. I thought it was so pretty, but I know that I'm not going to go into this because just based upon the color story, it's not something that I reach into a ton. So I did do a video with it. I loved the collection. I thought it was beautiful, but I think I should just gift it to them since I know that they will really put this to use. And I'm also going to put the cheek palette in there as well, so pretty much gifting them the entire collection there. I think they're going to be so excited. We also have this highlighter here from Laura Mercier. Look at how pretty that is, but it's a little bit too deep for my skin tone. From Juno & Co, I have this little quad right here. It just has 4 purple eyeshadows. I think it's pretty, but I just haven't reached into that one in a while as well. And then I have this one from Dear Dahlia. This is really pretty too. It has 4 highlights in there, but again, I just haven't been really reaching for highlights at all. From Juvia's Place, I have this palette. I've had this forever, and it's just one that I just haven't really reached into. I love this green shade though. That's the reason I've kept it as long as I have, just because I love that green shade, but I should gift this to someone else before it goes bad so they can utilize it. I do have some skincare products. So this was the Mally stuff. So I actually got gifted all of these items, and I tried them out for a little bit, but I didn't really notice a difference with them, to be honest. So I didn't want to throw them away. So I figured maybe they could try them out and see if they liked them. They're just supposed to be like firming body products. So there's still quite a lot in these. So I'm going to give them to those that I'm gifting this to and see if they like them. I have a Pixie body oil here that I've never used. Some other palettes. I have this little one from Ofra. These are really pretty, but again, I haven't reached into them in a while. Another one over here from Pixie. This has some really pretty colors in there. From Mario Badescu, I have this facial spray. I just haven't really used that brand in a while, so I thought I'd get rid of that. Juvia's Place, really love this foundation. This is their Magic foundation. I got to work with them also on the campaign videos for this, which was fun, but I do not use this shade. I have it in like 5 shades, so the shade is a little bit light for me, so I'm going to gift them that. This Kevin Aucoin palette I'm also finally getting rid of. I've been holding on to this because I love the shade in here, but I haven't used it in a while, so I figure I'll gift that. This other Smiley palette from Ciate London. This one came out with that eyeshadow palette I showed you a second ago. Also think super cute, but I haven't used it, so I'm going to get rid of that. A couple more ColourPop blushes I'm going to get rid of. Here's another one over here as well. From the Balm, I have this Day to Night palette. I loved this packaging. I thought it was cute because it's in like a little, oh my gosh, a little tin. But I'm going to go ahead and gift this. I can't even get it open, but there it goes. It has some eyeshadows in there. Just a few more glosses. I've got another one from the Lilo & Stitch. This one was from Lottie London, and then another ColourPop gloss as well. Another one of those Juvia's Place foundations, and then some more Mario Badescu. I have their Gentle Foaming Cleanser. A few more ColourPop products. I have this blush from the High School Musical collection, and then another one of their pink blushes. I love their pink powder blushes. They are my favorite, but I have so many of them. I feel like they do, like here's another one. I feel like they do that pink a lot in their collection, so I kept a few of them, but I was like, I think I can get rid of a few of these like collection ones. And then here's a few more of their like glowier blushes, and then a highlight I'm getting rid of as well. Pixie, we have the On the Bronze bronzer. This was just a little bit too deep for my skin tone, so I'm gonna get rid of that. We've got a setting spray here from Wet n Wild I'm gonna get rid of. And then I have from the Balm one of their blushes. This is just a little bit deep on me as well. Some more random products. I have the Rare Beauty eyeshadow sticks. I just don't really go into eyeshadow sticks, so I gifted the rest of them, but this one I had used. I think I only used it once, so I was like, I can throw that in this for my family, but yeah, I just don't really use eyeshadow sticks. Like, it's a nice formula. I just don't really reach into those a lot. We've got a lip oil here from Ciate London, and then one of these Color Shift lip smoothies from Flower Beauty. A few more lip products. I have from clearance some of these lip oils. These were supposed to be like, I don't know, essential oil themed, I think. So they're supposed to like give you relaxation and different things. I didn't really notice anything with them, to be honest. They were nice. They're hydrating on the lips, but I have quite a few from clearance that I don't feel like I need to keep these. So I think there's a few of them. I know I have one right here, lavender, so I'm just gonna get rid of those. The Monsters Inc. So I just thought I'd give them the entire collection from that. A gloss here from Amar Cosmetics. I have this lip plumper I'm gonna put in there as well. Some more ColourPop lippies, and then this little lip gloss here from CoverGirl. Another eyeshadow palette. This one is from Revolution Beauty. I loved this packaging with the watermelon. I think it's so cute. I'm gonna gift that. Sleek Makeup, we have this blush right here I'm going to get rid of. From Physicians Formula, we just have this Butter Glow. Not anything wrong with this formula, but I have quite a lot of liquid highlights, so I don't think I need it. Another one of those Juvia's Place ones, just it's a little bit deep for me. I love this foundation. I adore it so much. This is the Super Serum Silk Foundation from Yensa, but I've tried to wear this several times and the color is just way too light for me, so I need to get rid of the color. I have it in a few other shades though, so I'm gonna go ahead and gift this Too Faced highlight. It's so pretty, so pretty. But I have it in the lighter shade as well, and I think that the lighter shade does work for my skin tone better. So I'm gonna gift them this, but oh my gosh, the packaging is stunning, stunning. That shade just doesn't work for me. Got this bronzing duo here. It has a blush in there as well from Wonder Beauty I'm gonna gift. in eye kohl. This is just from Huda Beauty. More random blushes. We've got this one from Motive Cosmetics, as well as this pink one here from MAC. From Milk Makeup, I have one of their highlights. Again, it's just a little bit deep for me, so I'm gonna get rid of that. And then this is from Fenty Beauty. It's really cute, but I just really don't reach into this. It has like a highlight and then also a blush. Another one of those jumbo sticks from NYX. And then I have some more lip products, another ColourPop lipstick here I'm gonna gift. And then I have a few of these glosses. So another one of those Yansa lip oils, just that is repackaged. One of these, I think I did 2 of these from NYX. They're just a little bit sticky in my opinion, so not my favorite formula for me. And then this one from Maybelline, I do like these, the plumping, lifting glosses, but I did get them gifted to me, so I have duplicates in this shade, so I figured I would gift the one that I have a duplicate of. From Florence by Mills, I have their Glow Lip tint. This just wasn't a favorite formula of mine. From NARS, I have this little palette. Oh my gosh, if I can get this open. That's the thing with NARS packaging. I feel like it's hard to open. Very cute. It has a bronzer and then a blush and a highlights. I just feel like this is a little bit repetitive in my collection because I do have so many NARS palettes. Same thing with this. I'm going to get rid of this one as well. Has really pretty blushes in there. It's just a little bit deep for my skin tone. Some more lippies. We have a Revolution Beauty lipstick. This lip liner, again, just a little bit light for me. This is from Huda Beauty. These lip jams, I was not a fan of this formula. I feel like it was just a little bit too thick for me, from Catrice, so I'm going to gift that one. And then another one from ColourPop. I think I did get rid of quite a few from the Star Wars collaboration. I'm just not a huge Star Wars fan, and I don't think I need these colors in my collection, so I'm going to get rid of those. This one as well, one of their Luxe lip oils. Love this formula, but I have so many lip oils. I'm like, I don't think I need to keep that one. Another one of those ones from Clarins here as well. From Trestique, I have this blush. This is really pretty. It's just a cream blush from them, but I have a lot of pink blushes. I don't think I need to keep that one either. Another palette here from Ofra that I'm going to gift as well. This is really pretty. I think it's called the Galaxy palette. Yeah, Galaxy. Has really pretty purples in it. And then let's see what else we've got. A Physicians Formula Butter Cake Bronzer. So nice little bronzer here from them. I'm going to get rid of a ColourPop blush with little Tinkerbell on there. Another ColourPop Super Shock. If we're getting down to the wire here. Another part of that Smiley collection, I have a lip gloss as well. A Revolution Beauty eyeshadow palette. I don't even know if I've ever used this. I might have only used it once, but it's a pretty palette. But I just haven't really reached into it. So gives that a better home. From the High School Musical and ColourPop, I have another one of those blushes. Again, I just have so many ColourPop blushes, so trying to spread the love there with those. From Motives, I have this little palette, just like a little contouring palette I'm going to get rid of. From Lancome, I have this really pretty blush I just really don't go into, so I'm going to get rid of that. Let's see what else. Bare Minerals, we have this highlight. I, again, haven't really used that either, so I get rid of that. Another highlight. This one pains me because it's so pretty, and it was kind of expensive. I think this was like $30 or something, and I didn't really use it at all. Like, I think I used it once, but it was just too deep for me, and then I never like returned it or did anything with it, so giving it a better home. That does make me sad, but it's okay. And then we have a few more body care products. So I just have some oil. This is just a bio oil. I just haven't used, so I'm going to get rid of that. And then this is from Soul Body. This is the brightening body lotion. This was just a little bit too shimmery in my opinion for like day-to-day use, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that as well. And then we've made it to the last few products right here. From Dear Dahlia, I have this little eyeshadow palette. Very pretty. It comes with a little brush. I just haven't went into that, so I'm going to get rid of that. Another ColourPop blush I have. More of the Florence by Mills skincare. Like I said, I just have these in full size. And then we have a tinted lip oil from CoverGirl. And then the last few things are a couple of ColourPop products. I have a Fresh Kiss. I really like this formula, but just a little bit deep for me, so I'm going to get rid of that. Another one of those pink blushes. Like I said, I have so many of. And then the last one here is from the Rudolph collection, which was so cute, but again, I just have so many lipsticks, so getting rid of that. So that is the declutter, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I just kind of like sped through that. I feel like it was a lot of products, but I am happy to give these products a new home. I, of course, always love being able to gift people stuff, and I feel like it's a good way for me to look at my collection and kind of see what I've been using, what I haven't been using, and I just think that these products will have a better home with some family and friends. So thank you as always for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon with a brand new video.